I used to chase every mirror, looking for a better me. Measured my worth in the noise outside, but silence was calling me. I wore smiles like heavy jackets in rooms that felt too loud, but somewhere between my breaking and healing, I finally put them down. I stopped asking the world to agree, started listening quietly. This is the sound of being loved. No pressure on my soul tonight. No more fighting shadows I made. I'm standing soft in my own light. This is the sound of being loved. Hear my spirit breathing slow. Not everything that's quiet is empty. Sometimes it's just growth. I carried dreams that weren't mine, called it purpose, called it grace. But peace don't live in borrowed shoes, it lives where truth finds space. Now I walk a little lighter, not because the road is smooth, but I finally stopped performing for a world that never knew. I laid my lies beside my fears, watch them fade with time. This is the sound of being loved. No pressure on my soul no more. After all the noise I survived, I don't need the war. This is the sound of being loved. Feel my heart beat slow and true. Sometimes the strongest thing you can is simply be. If you're tired of proving, rest. If you're tired of shrinking, breathe. You were never missing pieces. You were always complete. I hear it now. The sound